So I just do it freehand. Our theme for Black History Month and for this workshop is the Sankofa. And it doesn't have to be perfect, bringing the history from our ancestors forward to the future, and that's kind of the energy of the Sankofa. White to help blend it through. Sankofa is actually an Adinkra symbol from the Akan tribe from West Africa, Ghana. And it's all about looking back, as you see it, looking back. It's bringing, wisdom and guidance from the past to the future as we move forward, and sharing it with the next generation, represented by the egg, but also that below the surface we are all connected. It's all about grounding in roots right now, and especially in Black History Month, when we're really looking at the past wisdom of so many amazing people who have come before us. And then doing these workshops with the Sheridan students, they're bringing their own wisdom from their ancestors and their past into their art.
Ooh, gorgeous.
What is it that we really want to take from our ancestors, our homelands, our lineage that is beautiful and powerful, that we want to bring in today's society? And how do we want to guide, the next generation with the deeply rooted wisdom of the past? So it's not just, a West African energy, it's for all of us, really.